Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today, we got a 2025 Ford F-600. So Ford came out with this F-600 a couple years ago, a little higher axle rating on the rear than the 550s. So this truck here has a gross vehicle weight rating of 22,000 pounds. Makes it an awesome tow pig, and that's why it's here, to get a suspension on it that'll match the towing capacity. So up front, we have our air ride suspension, pop out the coils, go with airbags. We got our matching Raptor shocks. So on the rear, we have our 4-link suspension, which features the Raptor shocks and a larger sway bar. What's crazy on this F-600 is this rear axle is rated for 15,500 pounds. I mean, you're getting up there, a few more thousand pounds, you're in the 650, the big Class 6 truck. So it makes it an awesome tow pig, but the problem is, you get that big axle, the leaf spring pack is 8 to 10 inches tall, and these ride atrocious. So throw our 4-link on here with the tuned shocks. We have different valve settings we use on these heavier trucks to give you a great ride when you're empty, but also when you're max loaded. Then you got a large sway bar here, so you put some high center of gravity with your load, you're still going to have a comfortable ride and great handling. So for the control system on this, we've got our Airlift 3H system. So we have 2 Viair 444 compressors. We got 2 3-gallon tanks. We make those in-house now. We also got a dryer, so you just hit this purge button right here, and what that's going to do is exhaust the moisture. This truck is based out of north of Chicago, so it's going to see a lot of cold winters. You want to keep the moisture out so you're not going to freeze up the system. So our control panel is mounted up here in this 3D printed bracket. What that's going to do is keeps it out of the driver's view. But you got your ride height. You could dump the rear. You could dump all 4. You can run over height. It gives you all the versatility you're going to need to take advantage of all the benefits of the air ride suspension. Well, Will, welcome back. Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you.
So how many times you been here now?
Oh man, quite a few.
So you want to tell these guys what your business is?
Yeah, so we're in the disaster equipment rental business and travel all over the U.S. to all sorts of disasters.
So basically hurricanes, tornadoes, that kind of stuff?
Yep.
Yeah, so you got a whole fleet of trucks, right?
Yep, whole fleet of trucks.
How many you guess have Kelderman air suspensions on them?
Oh man, I think we're up to like 10 now. 10?
That's awesome. Well, there's a reason he keeps coming back. This stuff works.
Yeah, and I got another one for you headed your way.
All right, I like the sound of that. All right, man.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.